Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you what I've received from YouTube. Here is a silver button, a silver YouTube button. So this called 3 years hard working and after completing 100,000 subscribers. So let's go inside, a certificate and the YouTube button. So thanks to the YouTube and special thanks to the all subscriber and viewer. So I'm grateful to the YouTube platform and also grateful to those subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and keep update on civil engineering tutorials. So I will do my best to provide you the most updated tutorial for your professional and education.